Hi, welcome back to the Baked Deco channel. There's a delicious new croissant trending on social media and in bakeries. In today's video, we're going to be trying out the new cookie croissant. Our oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we have a baking sheet that is ready to go. We have it lined with a silicone mat. You can also use parchment paper. In our mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and cream some of our ingredients. We're using 1 stick or half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now, using a regular whisk attachment, we're gonna go ahead and cream these ingredients together. You wanna start out on a low speed and work your way up. In a separate bowl, we're gonna combine 1½ cups of flour. We use all-purpose, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna just mix this together using a paddle attachment. Now, while mixing on low speed, we're gonna start to incorporate our dry ingredients to our batter. Lastly, we're going to incorporate our chocolate chips. Today we're using very Callebaut milk chocolate chunks. You can find these in the description. I'll link them over to our website. And we're going to go ahead and just mix it on low. Okay, and now we're ready to prepare our croissants. And now we're just gonna take our scoop some cookie dough, and we're gonna place this into our croissants. I'm doing 2 scoops per croissant. And then we're going to take a thin layer and spread it right along the top. Now we're gonna bake these beauties for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of a chocolate drizzle right on top. And now your cookie croissants are ready to be served. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Baked Deco for more tutorials like this.